Boys and girls, welcome to science. This week we're talking about living and non-living things. And yesterday we looked at a lot of different items and we determined whether they're living or non-living. And we're going to do the same thing today. So let's start by reviewing what it is to be living and what things are non-living. First of all, living things, they grow, breathe, need nutrients like food and water, things like that, reproduce, and move. And we see a picture of a tree right here. This tree is living. And non-living things, like this box, well, they don't do any of these things. So now let's take a look at some items and let's decide whether they're living or non-living. First of all, this butterfly. Look at those beautiful wings. Look at the colors. All the beautiful symmetry. The way that this wing on the other side looks exactly like the other one, and this one just like the other one. Really nice, really beautiful. Does this butterfly, is it living or non-living? Let's go back to the definitions. Does it grow? Yes. Breathe? For sure. Need nutrients? Oh yeah. So this butterfly is definitely a living thing. Okay. Plants. Are plants living or non-living? What do you think? That's right, they're living. They grow, they need nutrients, and they get their nutrients from the soil. They reproduce. They are living things. How about these chairs? This is a nice scene. These two chairs at the table. Are these living or non-living? Do they grow, reproduce? Do they breathe? Do they need nutrients? Do you have to feed a chair? No, nothing like that. So these chairs are non-living. Look at water. This is an interesting thought. Is water alive? Is it living or non-living? Well, let's think. Does water breathe? No. Does it grow? No. Does it reproduce? No. Does it need nutrients? No. Water itself is kind of a nutrient. So water is non-living. Grass. Oh wow, look at this beautiful grass. This picture was taken sometime during the summer. Really nice. So does grass grow? For sure. Right away we can see it's living. It needs nutrients, it needs the soil underneath it, and it is a living thing. Look at the clouds. Here's an interesting question. Are the clouds living or non-living? Do they grow? Not really. Do they need nutrients? No. Do they breathe? No. Clouds are kind of like water. They are non-living. How about fish? Look at that beautiful fish. Does fish need nutrients? Yeah, it has to eat. Does it grow? For sure. It already meets a couple of the criteria for living, so a fish is living. Look at milk. Is milk living or non-living? What do you think? Does it grow? No. Does it need nutrients? No. Does it breathe, reproduce, or move? No. Milk is non-living. And milk is actually one of the things that would be called a nutrient, which is like water. But it's non-living. Look at the swings. Do the swings grow? No. Do they need nutrients? No. The swings are non-living. We can tell right away.